Rookie. Hey, say hello. Hello? Alright. Next we have varsity football. Want to show me your shirt? What is it? Huh? Hello, varsity football. And then we have Mr. Baseball. Hey, buddy. Oh, show him your shirt. You don't gotta pull it up. You want to take your shirt off? Alright. Say hi to everybody. Hi, Mimo. Wow. Hi, Pop-Pop. I got my varsity football shirt on. Love you guys. Yeah. You want to dance for him? There you go. Dance for him. Dance for him. Mom? Mom's upstairs. You want to say hi? Say hello. Hey, Graham. Say I love you guys. See you soon.